Hi, Diabetes Bob here. Today's breakfast is going to be pecan French toast and turkey bacon. Now we're using sprouted whole wheat bread to make the French toast. Make sure that you get sprouted whole wheat. This is a simple meal, easy to fix, very nutritious, and it's a great way to start the day. So why don't we get over to the kitchen and put this together and see how it looks. Ingredients today is sprouted whole wheat bread, cage-free eggs, pecans, cinnamon, turkey bacon, and fruit sweetened syrup. Put the pecans in a bag and crush them into small pieces. Then put the pecans onto a plate. Take and add some olive oil to your griddle and put it on a medium heat. Mix your eggs together with your yolk. Cook the turkey bacon in a microwave oven for 2.5 minutes. Dip the bread into the egg mixture. Dip the bread into the pecans. Add the bread onto the griddle at medium heat. Cook both sides until they're golden brown. Then you go ahead and plate your food and add cinnamon and your fruit sweetened syrup. Well, let's see how this French toast tastes. It should be nice and crunchy with the pecans. And it is. It tastes really good. Turkey bacon's not bad at all either. So, have a good day. Bon appetit.